Hello everyone. Today we will discuss basic discussion about AC and DC and what is the actual meaning of AC and what is the actual meaning of DC and what is the difference between them. Okay, so let's see. AC is nothing but what? Alternating current, and DC is nothing but direct current. And sometimes in competition exam, one question, very famous question they ask, which one is more dangerous, AC or DC? So let's see. Suppose we have a AC. This is called AC and this is called, suppose, DC waveform. If I am talking about waveform of AC, then the waveform of AC look like this. The waveform of AC look like this. Okay, and the waveform of DC is look like this. Suppose this is time axis and this is also time axis and this is magnitude axis. So from this figure we can conclude one point is very simple. AC, the waveform of AC is bidirectional in nature, but the waveform of DC is unidirectional in nature. That is the one of the main point. This is the basic difference. If I am talking about a second point, suppose if we are talking about second point, then the AC only shows the heating effect. It shows the only heating effect. Only heating effect. It shows the only heating effect. But in case of DC, we observe many effects like heating effect, chemical effect, or we can observe magnetic effect also. We can observe magnetic effect also. Okay, this is the second difference between AC and DC. If I am discuss third point, then AC or DC is more dangerous than AC, because I am explaining what is the reason behind this. Because suppose I am assuming here is a 10 and at this particular interval of time the value of this magnitude is constant. Here the value is constant. But in case of DC, suppose this is an increasing function, like at this point the value is maximum and at this point the value is decreasing, and at this point and this point and this point and this point the value of magnitude becomes 0. So you cannot see or you cannot observe at this DC. Once the DC waveform started, it attains a constant or magnitude. Here is constant, but in case of DC it attains a some minimum or 0 value. So from this point we can conclude that AC is less dangerous than what? DC. Okay, so or we can say in case of third point is, in this case, sinusoidal case, the value of RMS and average value both are different. But in case of DC, average value or RMS value, we can say both are same. That means RMS value or average value both are same. So that is the basic discussion or basic difference between the what? This is the basic difference. What? One more point we can add it also. AC is bidirectional in nature. AC waveform is bidirectional. Waveform of AC is bidirectional, but DC is unidirectional. So I hope you understand what is the basic difference between the AC and DC, and these are some interesting point about the AC and DC. Thank you.